Better marketing means better cleaning clients. Many cleaning companies struggle with getting the best clients in their city. And if your marketing sucks, so will most of the clients that you're attracting with your marketing. It's a fact. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to look at some bad examples of marketing and some good examples of marketing, and you're going to see exactly what I mean. So first, let's dive into Google. Google is one of the most often used places for people that don't know who to hire for a cleaning company of where they're going to go to find somebody. So we're going to take the example of Googling carpet cleaning Denver and coming up with something like this, and Zerorez is all over the place. Now the thing is, you got to understand what Zerorez is and what they're doing. They're coming in with a low dollar offer. I feel like a lot of the reasons why their marketing works so well is because it's a low dollar offer. I don't know if they upsell later or what they end up doing, but it's a super low dollar offer. Somebody clicks on the ad, and I feel like at this point, they're coming in and offering 4 rooms for $135. That's a really low, actually, carpet cleaning offer. And the funny thing about this is when you go to this ad, it is just a squeeze page because you can't go anywhere else. It's just a one-page ad. It's just got a form. Now, because somebody might have heard about them somewhere else, somebody might fill out the form, and all it really has is a testimonial, and that's it. No real mention of anything local. We've got companies all over the place listed down here, so it's very kind of odd. My suggestion is they could do a lot better things with this advertising. I don't know if they're going to change it soon or whatever, but it's just not good marketing. Low dollar offer, you're not making money, right? You're not making money, and especially for somebody who's not doing 20 jobs a day, you're going to be hard pressed to really make a profit off of this type thing. So let's look at another example. This is actually some good marketing of a client in Hawaii, and you Google tile cleaning Kailua Kona, and you come up with an ad that's got a nice picture by it, different assets about what the company does. And the funny thing is they're also doing Google Guaranteed here. And when you have both, by the way, you're going to pay for the Google Guaranteed ad lead. You're going to probably pay $30, $50, $70, $80 sometimes just for the lead. Here with the Google Ad Click, you're going to only pay somewhere in the neighborhood of $7, $8, $9, maybe $10, sometimes a little bit more or a little less, but that's a general rule. But let's look at what happens when we actually go to this landing page. First, we've got a great picture of a beautiful van, Hawaiian trees in the background, talk about guarantees, the areas that they serve, a smiling face. On your websites, guys, you need a lot more pictures of smiling people, right? I see that all the time. We got talks about guarantees, and we've got talks about reviews, lots of good 5-star reviews. We've got talks about the different types of services that he does, frequently asked questions, kind of walks them down in a map of the area where they service, kind of walks them down the entire process of the cleaning. So let's look at another example. This is not so good marketing. We're Googling best carpet cleaning company in Denver, and we're coming up with some ads, Zerorez again, of course, and then Thumbtack. And then when we click on the Thumbtack ad, we're going to be looking at something like this, where it's just data aggregation, right? We're putting our information in. Some people are going to be scared to do that. And then you're going to be listed, if you're actually paying, this is probably paying per lead in this case, you're going to be listed with, in this case, I think 6, 7 different companies. And if they fill this out, your client or prospect fills this out, they're going to get bombarded by all 6 of these people, right? Or at least 3 or 4 of them. And the funny thing is that you guys need to understand about what Thumbtack, like in this case, is doing, is they're only paying, maybe $7, $8 for this actual click. And then at this point, they're going to fill out this information and then charge each one of these 3 people $30, $40, $50, $60, $70 for the lead, right? Not so good, not so smart. Google ads are going to be a lot better return because then it's you and only you that they're actually going for, and you're going to spend less money a lot of the times on the lead. So let's take a look at a good example. We're Googling carpet cleaning Durham, and we're going to click on a website here that shows up in the top search of Durham and in Google Ads. What you got to understand is when you go to, somebody goes to your website, it doesn't matter if it's from Google Ads, from organic search, or where it's from. The website has to sell when they get there. So let's check out this example here. We go to the website, we've got a nice clean website, a beautiful picture of beautiful vans, a nice friendly smiling technician, and clickable phone numbers, promises of satisfaction guaranteed, pictures of lots of guys working, talks about the different services and what they do that's unique about the services, more smiling faces. Again, we need more of that on websites. Google reviews, coming from a position of authority, right? Also a link leading directly to the Google page. This is the type of stuff that sells, guys. This is the type of stuff that actually books jobs. Let's also talk about flyers for just a second. Flyers, postcards, Valpak, fill in the blank, money mailers, whatever the case may be. So this is a company that, I won't mention the name, but they do like generic postcards and stuff, right? The funny thing is all of them, you could simply change how much you charge and put in your logo and it could fit any carpet cleaning company, right? That alone is bad marketing. When it fits any company easily, it's bad marketing because one, you're coming from a position of price, right? All you're talking about that you do different is price. If that's the case, that's a very bad thing. And that's what all of these offers are about. Dollars amount off, percentages off, dollars per room, that type of thing. Here's examples of better marketing. And this is usually neighborhood marketing. Sometimes it's EDDM or sometimes it's just neighborhood selling, right? Inside of postcards. Talking about we're the neighborhood cleaning company. We're going to give you 2 free gifts. It's got a picture of either you want a van or a picture of the front of your shop. Shows the gifts, talk about what you're going to do that's different for them, your guarantees. On the other side, it's actually got offers. Now in this case, it's an actually offer that is demanding that they pay money to be able to get the free trial if they're happy. We won't get into all the specifics of the offer, but it's got a great free offer, a free trial offer, and it's got an outline of the guarantee. And again, talking about we're the neighborhood cleaning company. And then here again, another same type of example. We just cleaned for your neighbor's house. Would you like yours cleaned too? These are postcards that I've done at my own cleaning company and that many, many hundreds of my clients have done with a lot of success. So the big thing is, guys, you have to be different. You have to do things that are different. You have to make offers that are different. It does not have to be an offer that gives away the farm. Again, don't get bogged down with the offer. What you need to get bogged down with is what are you doing that's different from other cleaning companies in your area? And what are you doing to prove that you're trusted? That is the main thing. We've got templates for all of these things. I've got help where I can give you training for doing Google Ads yourself, for doing SEO yourself, or we have programs where we can do all of that for you. Postcard templates, all of that. I'll put links below this video. If you have any questions, let me know.